Myself, student Kharel, B.Tech Mechanical, final year student in Ansal University. Today we are going to present our project, Centralized Air Conditioning System. These are the components of our project, and this is air handling unit, this is vapor ventilation cycle units, and these are the central air conditioning room. And my friend Hardik Mehendiratta will tell about the ventilation sorting cycles and other components.
Hi, my name is Hardik, final year student of B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, Ansal University, Gurgaon. This is our fabrication project, and this is air handling unit, which is responsible for producing cold air that goes to the plating box, which is placed on the rooftop and the ceiling of the house. Through a duct, the cold air enters the rooftop and ceiling, and through Canadian box, this is a technical box which evenly distributes the air in the house, so that all the occupants present in the house feel comfortable and get equal amount of cold air. And this is all the technicality. This is the refrigeration cycle to produce chilled water. The chilled water then goes to AHU air handling unit. Air handling unit is designed in such a way that it produces cold air out of cold water, and to make the water cold and chilled, it is a refrigeration cycle that we have made here, placed just below the AHU. This is air handling unit. Let me show you inside of it. This is air handling unit. Filter for clean air to enter the AHU, fan, cooling coil, and that ducting opening. And here comes the plating box of the house that we have depicted. And there are dampers diffusers in it, so that air gets evenly distributed in the house. If there is any partition, no matter what number of rooms are there, the dampers should be equal to the number of rooms present in the house, so that air goes in every room. So this is a basic overview of the project.
Finally, we completed our entire project. My friend Hardik Mehendiratta and myself, student Kharel of Ansal University, and we made this centralized air conditioning system because it has a wide range of applications than other type of non-air conditioning system. Because it is used in the different places where to cool the large areas and large places where to generate the comfort.
These are walls, hospitals, big hotels, because